Today I'm going to show you how real-time collaboration works in Motion. The very important thing to realize with Notion is that everything is done in real time. So if you are wanting to collaborate, you actually can collaborate in real time with their comments. You can also see in your calendar, if you're adding events, the calendar will actually be updated in real time. Okay, so you can actually see everything in real time. So your entire team, the moment something happens, they can actually see that. Now, when you're going into projects, so let's go into project 1 over here, you can see if you go into any one of these tasks. So let's click on this learn about Motion. You're going to add in a comment over here, and this comment is literally in real time. So this is in real time. You'll be able to use Control Enter, send that comment. Whichever other account is on here, they'll be able to see. Whatever other user they'll be able to see. Okay, so this is all in real time. What else is in real time if you are collaborating is whatever other changes you make to your project. So let's say you change like a deadline over here. Okay, so this deadline, whoa, let's move it up. That's been literally task saved. It's literally been updated with the rest of the members. You can also do this with priority, the stage, the workspace. All of this can all be updated in real time. One of the other things is if you are going to open a new meeting or event in your calendar, you can actually go, let's click on the plus icon. This is an event. And here you can actually do this in real time as well. So we are going to just give it a name. So let's just say real time, and let's schedule that for the time slot right now. And then you have the open scheduling assistant. This will basically allow you to just like schedule this effectively. And then you can click on create event. Okay, now if you are creating this event and you have the event details, the conferencing, you can actually click on Zoom, Google Meet, your phone number, or your location. And this will allow you to also collaborate in real time via any one of these platforms. Obviously not the real location, although you will still be collaborating. There we go. So there, you can collaborate on Motion.